Myself Amit Sanjana Vambal, and today's my topic is control statements in Java programming language. Guys, control statements means statements which controls the flow of program or execution of program in Java programming language. Let us consider in control statements. Like first, we have to consider class. We can give any name to the class like class A. Then we initialize the main method like public static class void main string as like this, and then we have to consider body. In curly braces, we consider first body, and in other curly braces, we consider second body. Now we have to run only first case and not to run second case. Then we can done by using these control statements. Whether we have to run second case without running first case, then we also can do this by using control statements. We have to control statements is used for execution of process or execution of program according to user. If user wants to run second process, then control statements are done this by using various control statements. Control statements are of three types. Mainly these are categorized in three types or three parts. First one is selection or conditional statements. Second one is integral or looping statements, and third one is jump statements. First one is guys conditional statement. Conditional statements have some parts like if else or else if else, and switch statements. Then after conditional statements, we have to shift on looping statements. Looping statements are classified in three parts. In mainly three loops are categorized in Java programming language. That is for loop, while loop, and do while loop. And after that, we have to switch to jump statements. Jump statements are categorized in three parts, and these are break, continue, and return. Now we have to shift on syntax. Syntax of if else statements are if condition of if statements are true, then only program executes condition in if statements, and whether the condition is false in if, then program is initialized or program generated the else part, and else condition is getting true. And if if is also same as if or else statements. When the condition are multiple or many conditions are there, then only if else if is used, and we can also call it as if else if ladders. Then if else if after if else if, then we have to switch switch is directly switch the program. And after that, we have to move on looping statements. There are three looping statements. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. In for loop, first one is condition. We have to initialize, and second after that we have to put condition, and third after that we have to run increment. In for loop, first is initialize. We have to initialize. After initialize, condition is done, and then body executes. After body execution, increment and decrement is done. If the condition is true, then body execute, and after increment and decrement is done. This is looping process. Till the condition is getting false, this looping process is work or getting continuously executed. When the condition is false, then only we get exited off loop. Similarly, in while loop, the syntax of while loop is first one is while, then condition, and then body, and if the condition is true, then while loop is executed. This tends to infinity till the condition is getting false. If the condition is false, only then and then we exited from while loop. Third one is do while loop. Do while loop is also same. Do while in do while loop, body is coming before the condition. It means main difference between while and do while loop is in while loop it is not necessary that body get executed, but in do while loop body is must be executed at least once a time. This is major difference between do while and while loop. Then we have to shift it on jump statement. Jump statements have three types: break, return, and continue. Break statements continuously break the statements and shift it to the next part, and return statements means we get returned to condition, and And continuous statements means we can continuously execute the program. And I hope guys this is done from my side. You enjoyed a video and you get detailed knowledge about control statements in Java programming language. Thank you guys.